You are such a good helper.
I am a helper.
Yes, you are. Very good. One more scoop.
Here's some birdseed. I'll put this in here.
Okay. Very good.
Birdseed.
Yes.
I love birdseed. I'll put it with my hand.
Okay.
Put in here.
Okay.
Boom, 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 boom.
Boom, boom, boom. Is that how birdseed goes?
No. And do this.
How do birds go?
Tweet, tweet.
Tweet, tweet. They're going to be so happy that you brought them something to eat.
Yes, and they're hungry.
Yes, they're hungry. Say, come eat breakfast.
Come eat your breakfast.
Good job.
We love birdseed.
We love birdseed. Whose boat is this? Ours.
Beep, beep. Hey, Mommy. I'm on boat. Yes, I upload this whistle. Yes.
Wow.
Say, we're blowing the whistle so they know we're coming.
Rhea, saving the waves with that. On the way. This is to powered iron.
Waving the camera? Waving the camera for me? No? You riding the tractor? What color is it? Is it a blue tractor? Stay there. Stay there. Watch. Look at your kite. Look at it. Max is flying the kite. Good job. Look at the kite. Whoa, there it comes.